Hi guys, today I've got lots of exciting things to show you because I went shopping, and who doesn't like shopping for plants especially. Now I went to a place called Collector's Corner. So if you live in Melbourne, you might know of it, and they have such lovely, well, whatever plants you can think of. They've got Hoyas, they've got succulents, they've got cacti, every kind of speciality plants that you can think of. Anyway, that was so exciting, spring shopping, and I got quite a bit from there. And then there was another place close by that said Pots Galore, and they had lots of succulents too. So the first one I took from Collector's Corner was this Grenovia. What's it now? Yes, Grenovia aurea. Like little rosettes, just green, and I wanted green because I'm going to plant this in the front garden or in the back. So that was that, and then got this crest wild thing. It needs a bigger pot. You can see it's getting squashed at the side there. So that was that. And then I bought this Rubusha. Is it? Yeah, the Rubusha. And the bud was closed, but when I brought it home, it actually opened. And look at that red, so bright. I'll put that in the front yard as well. And then I took this Echeveria or Echeveria black form, a Finnish black form. And look how pretty that is. So I'm going to put that amongst the white. I'm going to do just white and green. White, dark green, light green, all shades of green. So I got two of those. And I took another cactus. What is this? Gymnocalycium. A Gymnocalycium because I like that color of the flower. And it's so different. I mean, it does have spines, but they're not as prickly. That. And then I got the Agave Victoria Regine. I mean, how cute is that? It says it's very slow growing. I hope it doesn't take forever to grow. But anyway, I'm going to plant that. When I put it in the ground, I will show you. And I got this Dudleya White Sprite. How pretty is that? So tiny, but... And this also says it's what? Resting parts. Small branching. Very slow growing as well. Don't like slow growing, but anyway. Look, that gray-green, that white shade is so pretty. If I plant it next to that, they would just look so good as a contrast. And then I got this Pachyvaria exotica, Pachyphytum. It's a Pachyphytum crossed with the Echeveria. That's going there in the front. And this Monodinium. Look how lovely that is. Look how fat this is. This is a Euphorbia. Monodinium, but what is now? It's a Euphorbia. Monodinium stapelioides. That will stay inside in the alfresco area. I won't put this outside. And look at this pretty Euphorbia. This also will stay inside. I need to read up on it and what care it needs. Right, that was all from Collector's Corner. Then that place next to it was just a simple, what is it? It was Pots Galore, but they had lots of succulents there. So I took this. It's a, I don't know, it's just some succulent. There's no name on it, but I wanted it as a ground cover. And I took this as well. This is also a ground cover. It looks so cute, that green. And this as well, it's some sort of, I don't know what it is. It's like the chalk sticks, but it looks lime green. Look how pretty that green. So I don't know if the lime green is because it got too much sun or if it is this shade, because I've seen them in a sort of a blue-gray color, not this lime green. Lime green looks really pretty. And I got just another Echeveria agavoides, again, no name brand. Just need things to fill the space. And look at this. This is what this is, but this is also some sort of sedum. But I love that green. It's such a pretty green. There's so many here. I'm gonna propagate it and put it in the front yard and in the backyard. And there's another one from the second place. Also a sort of, I don't know what it is, but some sort of cedar. But again, I like that shade. It's because I'm doing all those shades of green and light and dark green. And look at this. It's a blue glow, I think. Look how pretty it is. It's got two babies. Where is it? Two babies. Look how pretty. I'm gonna put that in the backyard because it's very spiky. I'm gonna put that in the planters that I'm doing there, so you can see. Oh, sorry about that. My mic there. But as you can see, lots of plants. So exciting. I need to. That's the first haul for spring. I need to. No lie. I got that other small haul the other day. So anyway, this is a big haul. Anyway, I'm gonna plant them. I'm gonna plant the ones that I need to in the front. I'm going to take some cuttings for the back, and those that are staying in the alfresco area in this airspace here, I'm going to put them into nice pots. So I'll give you a closer view of all the succulents. Let me put them in order here. Don't drop them. So let's one here. All these labels are blocking everything. Okay, there's the haul. All these ones are from Collector's Corner, and the ones on the side are from the other store, the pots galore. That euphorbia is so cute. I need to put it up. I don't know, I'll see. But I got two of the agaves. I mean, why not? And I got two of those black form finis as well, because I like the way they look. They're so cute. And that's the Rosacea and the crest. That's the whole lot of them. Ooh, that is a lot. Big spend. I felt guilty for a little while, and then it passed. Guys, I'll show you the plants once I put them in the ground, but I can't wait to get there. I'm so busy. Still got other stuff to do. Other household chores, and I need to start my spring chores. So lots of things happening. I hope you're having a good week, and stay tuned. Bye.